TCS Ignite registration end date is coming in a few days. I am here to let you know about the latest updates, new exam patterns, and a few other pieces of information that may be relevant to you during your registration process. Hi everyone, welcome to FAQs, your learning destination for career growth. Please watch the video till the very end as I'll be sharing some important tips and tricks for your application to stand out. If I talk about the eligibility criteria for TCS Smart Hiring process, this program is exclusively for BSc and BCA students from the 2020, 2021 and 2022 batches. As you can see, the same is mentioned here. This is also an opportunity for science students to become a part of an IT services firm, which will open the doorway to a holistic and global IT career for you. So once you join TCS Ignite, what you can do is after maybe a couple of years, you can always go ahead and switch to some other company since you are already having a brand name such as TCS. It will be beneficial for your career growth in the early years. Let's talk about the test pattern of TCS Smart Hiring program. Basically, the test provider will be TCS Ion NQT, which is the test provider for this particular TCS Smart Hiring process. If I see the test pattern for this TCS Smart Hiring now, and this I'm not sure from this year or maybe previous year, they have started remove that programming ability as well from this exam. So you'll be purely judged on your quants, that is quantitative aptitude. So you can see like here there is a verbal ability test that consists of 24 questions and the time limit is 30 minutes. There is reasoning ability with 30 questions in 50 minutes and numerical ability with 26 questions in 40 minutes. So in total there will be around 80 questions which will commence all these questions in the 2 hours of exam that you will be giving for qualification into TCS Smart Hiring. If I do a detailed segment analysis under verbal ability, primarily the questions will be coming mostly from English grammar and reading comprehension. Under English grammar also we have word completion, sentence completion, error identification, arrangement, formal or informal sentences, sentence joining and meanings. Under reasoning ability, primarily the main topics could be identifying word, there could be numeric patterns, problem solving, figural and factual analysis, decision making, propositional reasoning and visual spatial reasoning. And the last topic, that is numerical ability, these are the primarily the main topics here. One is number system, mensuration, arithmetic ability, elementary statistics, data interpretation, simplifications and approximations. Let's focus on how you can apply for this TCS Smart Hiring process. So they have already given this process in their website that is there. So under that there is a step 1, like you can log into the TCS Next Step portal and register there and apply for the TCS Smart Hiring process. Also, if you are a registered user, you can log in and proceed to the application form, and upon submission you can click on for apply for drive. Once that is done, you will have an option to choose whether the test mode needs to be in center or remote, and based on that click on apply. Please note that once you have opted for any one test mode, basically either in center or remote, you'll not be able to change that later part. So be very sure whenever you are selecting your mode of test. Here are a bunch of tips which will help you throughout the course of test. Number 1 is work on improving your logical and quantitative aptitude skills. Other one is you can practice all the problems and If you are really serious for it, you can start scheduling at least an hour every day to cover your weak areas, or even also practice all those problems and specific areas that I have talked about. You can also do practice tests and free mock-up tests that are already available. I will be posting some of the links in the description for your reference, and once you do that, you will always have an advantage and edge in this particular TCS Smart Hiring process. TCS Smart Hiring registration end date is about to end on 15th of December 2021. So if you have not registered for the exam so far, I request you to please do that and share these video with your friends. Also, at last, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. If you feel there has been some value in this video, please like it so that it will also motivate me to bring similar content for you every week.